Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. Benefits of squat exercises. Squat exercises are possibly the most tedious part of the workout. The strain and the efforts involved in the process is essentially what ends up not just impacting the thigh and limb muscles, but the overall lower region of the body. But, technically, squats impose the maximum benefits. Owing to the fact that squats tend to impact multiple parts of the body, their impacts are quite dispersed and does help in getting rid of a number of underlying health ailments. Let's look at some of the benefits of squats, shall we? The benefits, as mentioned before, are quite dispersed. Let's take a look at some of the major ones. Increases overall body strength. The main reason squatting increases muscle strength is because of the steady release of testosterone and growth hormone into the blood circulation that are responsible for building the muscle mass in the body. Boosts blood circulation. Squats, as they affect the overall body parts, are effective in boosting the overall blood circulation throughout the body. It impacts the overall heart function, which boosts the blood circulation in the body. Makes real-life activity simpler. Squat exercises impact in helping gain muscle strength. They are also believed to promote proper unwinding and relaxation of the muscles. They also promote seamless and smoother motility and balance in the body. Burn fat and lose extra pound. As squats help in building more muscle in the body, they tend to help in thus burn calories. It is believed that for every pound of muscle gain, the body burns around 35 to 50 calories, which is pretty impressive. Builds core strength. The main reason behind the squat benefits in improving our core strength is mainly because of the fact that squatting emphasizes the stomach and the lower abdominal region, which is what helps in improving the overall core strength. Get rid of cellulite. Because of the fact that squat does improve the overall blood circulation in the body, it is an amazing remedy to get rid of the cellulite if done on a regular basis. Induces better posture. Squats impact the stability and strength of the entire upper body, which is exactly what helps in improving the overall body posture as well. Impacts bones and joints. If you have been seeking reasons to do squat exercises, the possibilities are definitely quite abundant. It is believed that trying squatting along with dumbbells and barbells actually accentuate the extra bones and joint building effectively. Increases libido in men. The main reason why squats increase libido in men is because it not just accelerates and promotes the overall blood circulation in the body, it also helps to boost the production of testosterone in the bloodstream. Prevents injuries. Oftentimes, the inflicted injuries are because of the lack of proper muscle and bone strength. Squats help improve the strength of the stabilizer muscles, ligaments, and even the connective tissue. Benefits of squat are not the predominant. You won't necessarily witness any difference up until you actually take that exercise out of your workout regime. The differences are starking. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.